Hello, everyone. Welcome to this YouTube live session. Before discussing anything further, I would like to first share my screen. Okay, and moreover, I would like to know about the quality of the audio. Just to share your feedback through the chat. Okay, so right now I shared the screen. You will be seeing this page, right? So actually, this is the newsletter. A few minutes back, I sent to rajamanikam.com subscribers. If you are interested to get this newsletter, just you can just visit rajamanikan.com or AJAMANICKAM.com. Okay, here you can give your email ID and then click subscribe so that you can freely join the newsletter. I will be giving any updates about AI developments or any kind of offer, free offer, my book offer or a course offer. Okay, so just enroll into this newsletter by giving your email ID here. Okay, so you can check my previous posts here. This post is this one, February 9th, right? So here you can check the post. Okay, here I explained about my new book. The book titled as AI for YouTubers. Okay, recently I released that book into Amazon. It is available in various formats: Kindle format, paperback version, and audiobook format also. It is the upgradation of my previous book, right? Previously, many years back, I released a book. That book, even it is available at rajamanikam.com. You can click this link. Okay, so how to earn money from YouTube. In that book, previous book, many years old book, I shared a lot of things. I personally shared all my experiences of running YouTube channel from the year 2009 itself. Okay, so that even I just shared a lot of tips and tricks like how to use effectively use trending topics to get huge traffic, that kind of things. Okay, that's a full-fledged book. Okay, that I manually I written all the chapters step by step. But this book, the new book AI for YouTubers, I have taken the help of ChatGPT to write this book. Okay, so if you are not comfortable in reading AI generated content, maybe you can ignore this book. But I manually verified all the content, and ChatGPT is really useful for getting more information useful and arranging in effective way. Okay, so in that perspective, I'm using ChatGPT. Okay, so if you are okay with that, you can consider buying this book. It is really useful book. Whether you are a YouTuber, here I specified, right? Here, whether you are a YouTuber or you are already familiar with YouTube, but if you just want to explore about how to implement AI, so for it will be useful for many kinds of people. Even if you are not considering YouTube, if you read my previous book, you will be knowing the importance of starting YouTube channel for promoting your products and services or personal branding or whatever, for whatever reason. YouTube is a good way, but primarily people are using it for earning money from AdSense. Okay, but apart from that, we can earn money from various ways, and we can use it for as a branding tool also. Okay, so a lot of things are there. Just building trust with your clients also. You can just share your domain knowledge. A lot of things are there. Okay, it's not about just earning money from advertisements. Okay, so in that perspective, I would suggest everyone to explore using YouTube. And in that case, right now you don't need to like personally spend your time. Instead of spending manual time, you can just use the power of AI to do the things very effectively and very fast. Okay, and sometimes accurately, but because of AI hallucinations, there may be some issues. So you need to manually verify them. Okay, that is what I would say about the approach of using AI for YouTube, running YouTube channel. Okay, but it is very important to start YouTube channel. That's what I would suggest. Already I released a book about monopoly of Google, because Google has terminated my 14 years old AdSense account, and because of that, I couldn't earn money from YouTube. That kind of risks are there. That is always true. So you need to consider that. But including that fact, still you can use YouTube for your business advantage in various ways. Okay, so in that perspective, with the understanding the risks, including the risk, still we can get a lot of things from YouTube. Okay, that's what my personal understanding by running YouTube channel from the year 2009 itself continuously. So in that perspective, I shared my like personal experiences in my previous book. This new book is general book, like generally for like the listing various AI tools. I will show the book content. Okay, so I will open the PDF file and then I will show it. Okay, so I think I made this clear, right? So I released a new book titled AI for YouTubers. It is available to Amazon. If you are in US, you can click this link. This link I shared in the description of this video. This link you can directly click this link and you can make the purchase Kindle book. Okay, but if you want to get the paperback version, click this one. Okay, from paperback and audiobook means you have to click this one. Okay, so all these new three versions are available right now. Suppose if you are in another country, say for example, if you are in India, I would suggest visiting Amazon.in. Similarly, if you are in Canada, you can visit Amazon.ca like that, right? So local Amazon version. Okay, just to visit that site and then search my name. My name is Rajamanikam Anthony Muthu. Rajamanikam space Anthony Muthu. Antonimuthu. Rajaman. Search for Rajamanikam Anthony Muthu. It will be listing all my books. Okay. I missed the A, right? Rajamanikam There won't be any space, but included the space. I don't know the reason. I will. Okay. So here it is listing all my books. Better you can click my name so that you can go to my author page. It will list all my books. Okay. So right now you can see 43 books. Almost most of the books are related to AI, ChatGPT for beginners, building AI agents with agent kit, AI for absolute beginners, AI agents for beginners, RAG made simple, building AI agents with LangChain, Python for absolute beginners, NI10, and software testing in the AI era, AI tools for teachers, AI tools for healthcare professionals, how to use AI tools to learn English. Okay, Ultimate Guide to AI Tools, Start Learning AI Today, mini motivational book. These are other topic, motivational topic, but mostly AI related, AI Christmas magic. So you can click see all to see all the things. So a lot of books are there that I already discussed in my previous live sessions. If you are interested to know about all the books, you can check my previous live sessions. Okay, so here that I refer, right, Google's monopoly also I released a book, but still understanding the risks of YouTube, still we can make use of YouTube for our benefits. That's what my current understanding. Okay, so these are the book: AI for entrepreneurs, agentic AI, AI for digital marketing. Okay, uh, and I'm selling AI courses and offering 50% affiliate commission. I explained those things in this book. Okay, and the Python for AI developers, unlocking Google Gemini. This is a very common book, beginner friendly unlocking AI. Okay, so almost everything AI related. Even in this SQL book, I covered a lot of AI topics also, where SQL and AI are meeting. Okay, so this book very important book. I just shared all my experience of retrieval augmented generation in this book. It's a full fledged book, and another book I already showed, right? A rag for symbol something, rag made symbol. That is for beginner friendly. Okay, that I came up with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, this book I shared a lot of my experiences here, and okay, Snowflake and from web development. Okay, these are these are the most of these books I created with the help of ChatGPT, but some books that were released long back that I personally I spent time to create that books to share my experiences. Okay, so this book is getting good ratings, best motivational course. If you are interested to give a gift for any person, these books are suitable. Best motivational quotes and dream big, move forward inch by inch. That kind of books. And this is emerging technologies profit is my long term plan. Okay, so that I will be talking in a separate session. I already talked about that in my previous live sessions. If you are interested, you can go through that videos. Even I have separate playlist for emerging technologies. That is what my key thing. So right now AI is trending, right? So in the time being, I'm just sharing the details about AI, whatever I learned about AI. And personally, I'm sharing as a AI course also. Again, you can visit my site rajamanikam.com. Okay, rajamanikam.com. Here you can click this AI for beginners. Okay, so here you can make the purchase of the course and suppose if you want to further discount, you can use the discount code QPT. Okay, and you can earn money by referring this course to others. If you are interested, just to contact me. We can have a detailed discussion through a Google Meet. Okay, through Google Meet. Okay, that things just I shared all my contact details. Okay, so just to visit rajamanikam.com, you can find all the record details. Even for this Amazon book, that links I provided in the rajamanikam.com. Just to remember rajamanikam.com. Remember the spelling correctly. rajamanickam.com. Okay. So just visit this, and or you can just remember this QPT blog. That is like my blog, blog.qualitymantic.com. But if you search QPT blog on Google, it will show. Suppose if you find it difficult to remember my website name rajamanikan.com, remember just a QPT blog and search for that on Google and click this link blog.qualitypointtech.com. There at the top you can find the link to rajamanikam.com. You can simply just click that link and then you can visit rajamanikam.com. There you can find my books, AA course, and the details for joining us, affiliate, everything. And even there you can just join as a newsletter subscriber freely. Okay, so that is easy thing. Just remember, keep it blog. Tell about these things to your friends who may be interested in learning AI. Okay. So, moreover, in this blog, I added a lot of blog posts about AI, hundreds of blog posts. So, in that perspective, you can just learn a lot of things freely from this blog itself. Okay. So that is about my blog. That also I already did. But this new book, AI for YouTubers, that won't be available at rajamanikam.com because rajamanikam.com. Here I can sell that book if I'm not including the KDP Select, right? But this new book I already included in the KDP Select. That means it is exclusive to Amazon. I cannot sell it from some other places. Okay, those books that already I sell from rajamanikan.com, they are non-exclusive. They will be available at Amazon as well as in my site also. But like my recent books, I include in KDB Select. That means I am giving exclusive rights to Amazon because that will allow the Kindle Unlimited users to freely read my book. Okay, so I just want to get a lot of reviews and feedback about my books so that people offering free things to the people. Okay, so that for that purpose I'll be keeping it for KDP Select inclusion for many months till getting good feedback. Once I release from that exclusive contract, I will be putting here. Okay, so right now for reading my latest books, the only way is to get that from Amazon. If you're Kindle Unlimited user, you can freely read that. Otherwise, you can buy it. It's a very inexpensive only. I put very low price for all the books. You can check the price, right? And moreover, if you're Kindle Unlimited member, you can freely read that. If you have any questions, you can ask that through the chat. Let me continue that. And okay, so I already explained about my books and my website, everything, right? You should be familiar about me now, right now. And now let me tell about this book. Okay, this book, AI for YouTubers, create scripts, thumbnails, videos, shorts faster with AI. Okay, so here what you will learn in this book: how to generate high performing video ideas using AI, how to write high retention YouTube scripts with AI prompts, how to design clickable thumbnails using AI tools, and a lot of things. Okay, So creating story and creating thumbnails and creating shorts and repurposing videos into shorts and optimizing titles, descriptions, and basically doing SEO, right? So all these things. Okay. Uh, I listed a lot of tools also, but personally I use ChatGPT itself to do that. Suppose if you are not that much familiar with prompt engineering, maybe you can explore about that tools. But fundamentally, I won't recommend that kind of tools, because some tools will be there today, they won't be there tomorrow, like that, because of that instability. But if you are familiar with ChatGPT, Gemini, that kind of stuff, and you are very good at prompt engineering, it will be somewhat sustainable, right? If you are not familiar with prompt engineering, how to effectively use that kind of AI tools like ChatGPT, you can check my previous videos. I released a lot of videos to explain those things. Okay, but this book is like a very generalized book, so I included everything. Okay, so let me just open the book, AI for YouTubers. If you are Amazon affiliate, it's a good opportunity to earn money easily, right? Because these days it is becoming mandatory to learn about using AI in every field. Okay, so people are like looking for a ways to learn AI for using in various fields. Even I am observing that pattern. A lot of big people are buying many books for learning AI for the purpose of learning English or any kind of languages. So I'm just based on my selling pattern or best selling things. I can say that. Okay. Suppose if you are willing to put more time for doing affiliate marketing, we can personally discuss for a few minutes. Okay, so that you can come up with the best strategy for making use of my books. Okay, so it's a win-win approach. Okay, so these are the chapters for this book. Okay, so 14 chapters and conclusion. Okay, and I'm offering one-on-one AI coaching also. Suppose if you are interested in getting one-on-one AI coaching, generally most of the people who are choosing one-on-one AI coaching, they are asking me to teach RAG, AI agents, that kind of stuff, or Python, that kind of stuff. But still, if you are interested, I can share all my experience about YouTube, running YouTube channel, because if you are watching my channel, right? So you should be familiar with my channel. My channel is QPT. Recently, I'm not focusing more on that because of my commitments with my AA course. I full-fledgedly I spent more than 6 months for creating that AA course. That things I explained in another video. So basically, I'm engaged with other activities, so I couldn't spend much time recently. But before that, if you see the stats of my channel, you can find that it has 70,000 subscribers, more than 5,000 videos, and 25 million views. Okay, so basically it was performing very well previously, but because of the gap, but still I'm just doing live and just updating my updates. But I plan to do a lot of things, especially giving innovations, news about innovations, emerging technologies, including AI. So I will be continuing that. Right now I'm doing, but in a very very rarely. Okay, what I'm trying to say is, I have a lot of experience in running YouTube channel. Okay, I can teach that also. Suppose if you are planning to sell a product and if you want to use a product or your services and you want to use YouTube channel effectively, I can teach like how to choose the handle and display name from SEO perspective also, because I'm very good at SEO. I have long back I have been working with a lot of SEO projects for my clients. So in that perspective, we can discuss that also. Okay, but in that case, you have to book my timing for one-on-one AI coaching. So here you can see the details, one-on-one AI coaching, but it is the same thing. The terms and conditions are same. Terms and conditions are applicable for teaching YouTube also. Okay, not only YouTube, but we can say that it's a running small business, right? So like even for creating websites and making them SEO friendly, mobile friendly, and getting backlinks for them. So I can teach everything, and if suppose if you want, I can do that also based on hourly charges. Okay. So if you are having some good product, instead of spending money for advertisements, you can advertisement spending, you can get the returns immediately, but it's very short term only, right? But in case of organic natural traffic, it's unlimited. So you will be getting and infinite. You will be keep on getting that, right? So that advantage is there. Suppose if you are planning in that way, it's a good way. Even for doing advertisements, first you need to have some content, right? So in that perspective, let us discuss about create running YouTube channel for that. Okay. So people, very beginners will be trying to do in a different way, but in actual thing, it won't work in that way, because personally I learned that lesson by doing a lot of mistakes. Suppose if you are starting newly, you don't need to do the same mistakes again if you are getting my guidance as one-on-one coaching. Okay. So that is what I'm planning to do. But right now I'm fully focusing, or I mean I'm giving more importance to teaching RAG and AI agents, which is in high demand. But still, if someone is getting willing to get my guidance for running their YouTube channel, starting their channel, or using AI, chat GPT, that kind of prompting or something, whatever guidance, they can book my the time, minimum 1 hour. So just 1 hour itself, 1 hour alone can book. Okay. So if there are any questions, you can ask. Okay. Okay, so here we can continue this. So here I mentioned about my one-on-one coaching. Okay, so here I provided a link to my previous book also. That link is pointing to my rajamanikam.com listing. Suppose if you want to get it, just to search get it from Amazon, search the title on Amazon, or just you can scroll through my other page. Okay, so you can just scroll through, you will be finding that. I think that got some ratings, so it's got good ratings and comments also. But it was released long back, okay, in the year 2017, so around 8 years back. So it may not be highly relevant, but you can find lot of good information from there. That's what my understanding. So that review also got good review. Simple outline to help creators make better and more widely seen videos. Readers will learn what software to use, how to pick popular topics, and to hold on if things get difficult. Okay. So this book, personally, I like this book. Though I'm selling good number of sale copies for trending topics like AI related things. Still, personally, I like this book because I personally started my experience here by putting a lot of efforts. Okay, as I said, by my recent books, I'm putting very little effort only. With the help of ChatGPT, I'm able to create it quickly. Okay, but I don't know whether that will be similar to uh, fully manually writing the things, right? Fully writing manually everything is really worthy, right? So in that perspective, if you are still interested in getting my old copy, you can get this. Okay, maybe you can use Kindle version. I won't recommend paperback because it's outdated, right? Bit outdated. I'm referring to my old book. In case of new book, as I said, it is available only on Amazon. Okay, so suppose if you are in your Amazon site and just click my name, and if you want to see this latest book, yeah, for YouTubers, just a short the books based on the publication date. Okay, so as a recent book, you can see this. Okay, if there are any questions, you can ask me through the chat. Even if you're watching this video after ending this live, you can still ask the questions through the chat. I'll be keeping this live as a recorded live, so that anyone can watch it at any time. So in that case, if you're asking questions through the chat comment section, I'll be sending reply to you. If you provide your contact details, I'll be contacting you to give answer for your questions. Okay. Okay, that's about this book. Maybe we can go through that. I provided the link to my previous book. Okay, and I explained about the audience for this book. Okay, other details, overview of this book. Okay, so here this one I would like to highlight here. In the previous book also I highlighted, because everyone who is trying to find these kinds of books, they are looking for a magic kind of solution, right? So in fact, it's not available. If you are looking for that, you will be easily scammed. Okay, you'll be getting scammed. So avoid looking for get rich quick kind of promises. So obviously my book won't do that. It won't give that kind of promise. Okay, so there is no guarantee of getting any viral video or something. But if you consistently work, if you work on or choose a topic which is very relevant to you, which is very passionate to you, then obviously at some time it can give traffic. And if you choose appropriate monitoring, okay, monitoring the traffic and as well as monetizing the traffic. If you do all these things effectively, surely you can earn money step by step. That is a different thing. Okay, those. But you, as you know, YouTube is now fully saturated. So if you are just trying to randomly create one channel and just trying to share your vlog or some kind of cooking or something, that time period has crossed. Okay, so now it's not that much easy. But still, if you add value and if you are addressing the solutions that are being searched by other people, in that case obviously you have surely have some place at YouTube. But as I said, apart from that, you can use YouTube channel for showing your expertise in domain knowledge, or so building trust with your audience and potential customers. Okay, so in that perspective obviously it is really useful. Okay, so that I explained. But so you can just go through the book. Okay, so I just gave reference to my previous book content also in some places. Okay, next step is AI tools every YouTuber must know. It's a very beginner friendly, so it's a very just theoretical thing. But in the separate chapters I listed all the uh, uh, tools. Okay, so this one is very summary kind of giving overview about the various tools. Okay, so this is about finding high potential video ideas with AI. Okay, these are all just guidance. But as I explained in my previous book, it is always important to share the knowledge which you are already familiar with. You are having hands on. Okay, so don't choose some random topic just because it is trending. Okay, so that's about chapter 3. So writing high retention YouTube scripts with AI. So it is about this writing script is very important. So here in the from these chapters, I just list the actual links for the tools also. Right. Personally, I like ChatGPT very much. With ChatGPT itself, we can do a lot of things. That's what I personally do. But some people may not be comfortable in coming up with the different prompts, right? So for them, some straightforward tools will be useful. So they can check that. So Jasper is exclusive for writing, right? So that kind of thing, copy writer. Okay. So I provided some sample prompts also. So, but my suggestion is don't try to copy something. Just dynamically use that. So in that case, it is better to know how to effectively use ChatGPT or any kind of AI tool. Just to be expert in that, then you can start using it. But sample prompts, everything, it's you can use it as an inspiration, just to get some idea about that. Okay, don't try to just to copy that. Okay, this is about thumbnail creation. There also I listed some tools, Thumber.app, thumbnail.ai. So a lot of tools I listed with the help of ChatGPT. I personally verified them. Most of them are free only. It's free in the sense, at least for certain usage. Okay, that's about thumbnail creation. Okay, and I would suggest doing A/B testing with the YouTube. Okay, so for that, manually creating thumbnail may be taking more efforts. But if you use AI, you can easily create more thing, and you can put it for A/B testing and choose the winner. Okay. So next chapter is for video editing and subtitles. Okay. So here I listed these things, but personally I like our own model, like setting up Python code using a Whisper model. That's what my personal recommendation. But I don't want to make it more technology related thing. Okay, I want to use this. I want everyone to use this book, beginners also. So I haven't mentioned those things, but if you want more details, you can check those details in my blog. Okay, here these are all uh, tools with a certain UA, which is easy to use. Okay, but if you want more flexible and more fast thing, completely free, it is recommended to use the Whisper model in your local. Okay, so these are for subtitles. Okay, this is for turning one video into multiple shots. Okay, so tools for that. So it's just to get some ideas only. These the chapters are just to get some give some inspiration or get some idea. So you have to deeply think about how to effectively use AI for that is the key or fundamental thing about AI. It's keep on improving, right? So you have to explore various ideas to use it effectively. So I listed a lot of things, but some kind of platforms also is there. Kickfield. Suppose if you're interested, you can use that Kickfield AI, that kind of stuff. But I haven't mentioned those things. If you move on more details, you can check my previous videos. Okay. So about ACO, voiceover, avatar, faceless. So I provided all the relevant links. Okay. So if you're interested, you can just get this book. It's a very simple book with a list of links that are useful for running your YouTube channel effectively. Okay. As I said, this is just to give some idea or inspiration. You have to think in different ways to use the AI tools effectively. Even you can do the brainstorming with the AI tool itself. Ask ChatGPT how to effectively use the things. Okay, but if you need more more effective suggestions or guidance for running your YouTube channel effectively, you can book my personal one-on-one coaching so that I can suggest the things based on my vast experience related to running YouTube channel as well as my knowledge related to AI. Okay, ethics, copyright. These are also important, especially in case of yeah, YouTube. You need to be very careful about copyright. Okay, so, okay. So I listed some copyright-free media sources. Okay, some mistakes, list of mistakes you have to avoid. Okay, long-term growth and the future of AI on YouTube. That's what chapter 14. Okay, then conclusion. Okay, so at the end I provided my email ID and this one-on coaching link also. Okay, so any questions you can ask me. Okay, there are no questions. Okay. So this book is, as I said, it's I created with the help of ChatGPT and manually verified the content, and I provided like enough prompts to make this book very useful. Okay, so I would suggest buying the Kindle version. Anyway, if suppose if you are very comfortable in paperback, I added that also. Normally, for most of the books, dynamically changing books, I won't provide paperback. But this book, I added paperback because recently I noticed that many people are buying paperback also. So then that perspective, I added paperback. But my personal suggestion is buying this ebook because you can click the link directly, right? I provided a lot of links, right? So you can easily click that. In case of printed book, you have to just type that. Okay. So, but it's your preference. Okay. And audiobook also there, AI audio with the AI voice. Okay. So if you click this, then in case of AI audio, this is Amazon tie-in, right? So you have to go to Amazon.com. Okay. So audiobook is there, and here you can preview the virtual voice sample. Also, you can listen to certain uh, words. Okay. And as part of one-on-one coaching, apart from learning AI, apart from learning running YouTube channel, if you are interested in learning about how to publish the books through Amazon and how to promote it and how to earn money from Amazon, not only earning money, you can use it as again for trust building, for showcasing your domain knowledge. So for that, it is useful. Okay, suppose if you are not familiar with KDB other things, maybe I can guide you that also based on hourly charges again. Okay, so I can do AI teaching, web development. Okay, uh, and these kinds of AI consultancy and consultancy for running YouTube channel and publishing books. Okay, books through Amazon. I don't have much experience with other publishers, other platforms. Okay, okay. So any questions? Okay, no questions. Okay, I'll be stopping here. Thanks for watching. If there are any questions, you can ask. Maybe in the chat also I will share the book link. I share the book link. Okay. Okay, thanks. Bye.